What do you have?
I have a cicada shell.
Let's see that. Let's see that up close. Ooh, let me get an even closer picture of it. Okay. Gareth. Okay, just stand there a second. Sort of focus in on this thing here. Okay, why don't you tell us what that is?
A cicada shell.
Cicada shell.
Yes.
What exactly is it from?
From, right near the stairs.
Oh, that's where it's from. Oh, okay. Why don't you take us on a tour of the garden? Go show us Mommy's garden and your garden, okay?
Your garden and here's my
Okay,
garden.
tell us what everything is here.
There's raspberries, no raspberries, golden more. And we don't have any raspberries, and we'll get some tomatoes,
What? I'm sorry, you have to be a little louder, honey. What are these different things? No, show me. Do you know where the dill is?
dill.
Right.
What happened to this?
Oh, that's the way it grows sometimes, honey.
And sage.
Sage, yeah.
What's this?
What's that? Can you smell it? What's it smell like? Is that basil?
Basil.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thyme.
Thyme.
In the back? Oregano.
Oregano. What's that?
What's that? Do you remember?
No.
Parsley?
Parsley.
Okay.
Broccoli.
Right.
No.
Okay, now let's take a look at your garden. Go on. Whee, let's go follow you. Wait a minute. Slow down. Okay, come on. Show me your garden, sweetie.
This is pepper.
Careful, careful. You have to speak louder, honey.
And this is in cans. And this is tomato tomato.
And in the back? What's in the back there? What are you going to do now? You going to pick your first pepper? Is Gary going to pick a pepper? Okay, be very careful. Let's see the pepper. Show us first the pepper on the plant.
This pepper right here.
Okay, let me get a good... Wait a minute. Oh, a beauty. Can you pick that very gently?
Yes.
Okay, without hurting the rest of the plant. 2 hands. No. Put your cicada down.
It's not cicada.
It's a cicada shell. Put it down. Okay. Okay.
Now what we do? We pick.
Okay, well, why don't you pick the pepper very gently. Gary, gently. Leave the rest of the plant. Leave the plant. Good. Okay, we'll take care of the rest of it. Let me see. You gonna eat that tonight? Yeah? Y'all excited? Smell good?
My cicada.
Okay. You ready to say goodnight?
Good night.
Good night, honey. Give a kiss. Farmer Joe.